Tribute to YouTube. In a quiet little room in Lahore, the walls are still, the curtains half drawn. Farhan, 41 years old, sits silently on his bed, lost in thought. He is suffering from anxiety and depression. One evening, with no energy left, Farhan picks up his phone and opens YouTube. A video appears on the screen. If you feel like giving up, this video is for you. He pauses, then clicks. A speaker begins to tell his own story. How I faced depression, how I learned to accept myself. He says, "You're not broken, you're just tired, and you can heal." Farhan's eyes fill with tears. His heart feels lighter for the first time in years. That same night, he opens a notebook and writes just one sentence. "I want to feel better." Just a few words, but the beginning of a brand new journey. Weeks later, Farhan is walking through a park. There's a gentle smile on his face. The sun touches his skin. Sometimes it takes just one video, one voice, one message to change an entire life. Thank you, YouTube, for being the light when the world felt dark.